Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to register and apply for JIPMA MSc Nursing program and some important details about MSc Nursing program. So kindly watch this video till end, and if you feel like this video is very informative, then kindly do subscribe and like this video. So first we'll see about the important dates which we have to know. The online registration starts from 21/5/2021 at 11 am and closes on 15/6/2021 at 5 pm. So person who have not yet registered till now, don't worry, you still have chance to apply. You can apply till 15th of this month, that is 15th of this June. And applying earlier is very important because one who applies earlier will get the preferred exam centers. The next is downloading hall ticket. So you can download your hall ticket on 23/6/2021 at 11 am until 2nd of July 2021 at 1 pm. You can collect your hall ticket. You can use this website www.jipma.edu.in to download your hall ticket. Next is very important date, that is our date of entrance examination. It is on 2nd July 2021 Friday, and the time of entrance examination is from 2 pm to 3:30 pm. The duration is 1 hour 30 minutes and the exam will be conducted in single shift. And the next is expected date of publication of merit list. The merit list will be published on or before 9th of July. This date is only expected date and it is not yet confirmed. And the next is details regarding your online counseling. This will be announced later. Next we will see the eligibility criteria for MSc Nursing program. Person who is willing to apply for JIPMA MSc Nursing program, they should fulfill this following criteria. First is candidate should have either BSc Nursing or Post Basic Nursing degree certificate, and the next is he or she should be a registered nurse, and after completing their degree they should register in State Nursing Council and Midwifery and should have an RNRM number. And next is a person should have minimum 1 year of clinical experience, and next is shall be medically fit. That is, the person who is applying for this MSc Nursing program should be medically fit. Next is who is not eligible for applying this course is a person who has completed their post basic degree from IGNOU University, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, are not eligible for applying MSc Nursing program in JIPMA. Next is distribution of seats. So totally 31 seats are allotted for MSc Nursing program. According to number of specialty, this 31 seat is distributed equally. That is for pediatric nursing 5 seat, community health nursing 5 seat, and medical surgical nursing alone 11 seat has been allotted, and psychiatric nursing 5 seat and OBG is 5 seat. So totally 31 seat has been allotted. And the next is application fee. According to category wise, the application fees is different. That is, person who comes under general EWS, economically weaker section, and OBC, they should pay rupees 1500 plus transaction charges applicable. And the next is SC ST, they should pay 1200 plus transaction charges applicable for them. Next is person with a disability exempted from application fee. That is, they are not expected to pay any amount for applying this MSc course. Next we will see about how to apply for this MSc program. So to start application, you should first register yourself. So for registration, you can open the JIPMA official website www.jipma.edu.in. In home page, you can see the latest updates where you can see your link about MSc courses. So click that link and start your registration. You have to fill your contact email address and phone number and click submit to register yourself. If you don't know to register using this official website, then the other way to register is just type JIPMA MSc Nursing Entrance Exam IAS paper in Google and you will get a link. Just open the link and scroll down. You can see a yellow box mentioned like click here to apply for MSc Nursing Entrance JIPMA 2021. Simply click the button and fill the asked contact details and register, and this is an easy way to register yourself. Next we will go to the second step. So after registration, the next step is to login. Login is very easy. Once you submit your registration, you will receive a mail. Just open the mail. You will get your login ID, password, and a link to reach your application form. So your job is to just click that link and type your login ID and password which you got through mail. So that's it. The second step is over. Next we will move on to the third step. which is very important step where you will fill your application form. So after login, you will get a page. In that page, right top corner, you will have an option either edit or click here to apply. So click that option, your application form will be open. So then you have to fill your details about your course applied. So which course you are applying, you have to mention there, and your personal details, your contact details like your email address, phone number, and the next is your qualification details, whether you completed your BSc or post basic, you have to mention there, and the next is your work experience, you have to mention there, either 1 year or more than 1 year, you have to mention your work experience. Which institution you have experienced, everything has to be mentioned there. And the next is your present and permanent address, and the next is your ID proof. You can use any other ID proof, your voter ID, Aadhaar ID, even your driving license you can use. And the next is exam city preference. They will give you 10 cities for your choice, like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Puducherry. So you can select either any three from this. According to your preference, you have to select your first, second and third preference. Next, you have to upload your photograph, signature and category certificate, and your photograph signature should be maximum 80 KB and it should not be more than 80 KB, then you cannot upload your photograph and signature. And then you have to upload your category certificate. Next is step 4. Step 4 is the final step where you have to do your payment. So according to your category, you should pay your amount. You can do either net banking or you can use your ATM card to do your payment. So after completing your payment, you must cross check your application form and then give submit, because once you give submit, you can't do your corrections anymore. So after cross checking, click submit and you will get your application form. Take a printout and have a copy of your application form. So that's it, the application process is over. And at last we came to the end of this video. So one who watched this video till end, if you think that this video is very informative for you, kindly do subscribe and like this video. And if you have any doubts about nursing related topics, and please comment in the comment section. I will prepare a good content and upload videos for you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Thank you.